Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete uploaded files in Canva. All you have to do is go ahead and click on upload on the left side, and you'll find images that you have uploaded here in Canva. Go ahead and scroll down and find those different images. Once you find it, click the three dots on the upper right of the image, then click and move to trash. And so that's how you can easily go ahead and remove those images in Canva. Now, if you want to permanently delete it, you want to go ahead and ensure that you expand the sidebar in the upper left. You click there. At the bottom, you find trash. Once you find trash, you will now have your trash categorized. And so you will have trash in design, trash in image, trash in video, trash in file. We're focusing on image. And so what happened here is within 30 days, these will automatically be deleted. Or if you want to delete them manually, you can simply click the upper left hand side of it, of anyone, and you can click on delete and confirm the trash. Another way is that you can easily go ahead and click the three dots on the upper right hand side. And here as well, you have delete from trash. And then click on delete from trash again. That's basically mean it's going to be removed. And that's how you can easily go ahead, guys, and delete files in Canva.